Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you our 62 Chevy Nova, come out of northern Montana. Nice old car. It was, I bought it from the previous owner's daughter. I believe the owner had passed away and she decided to sell it. It was her mom's car. 6-cylinder, 3-speed. Don't know how long she had it, but they had it repainted not that long ago. Nice job on it. New top. Wheels are appear to be new. Got the steel moons. 14-inch tires. I assume they're the 4-inch. Oh no, they are 15-inch. They're 185, 65, 15s on the front. But I don't know if they're the 4. They haven't had the moons off, so I don't know if they're the 4 or the 5 lug wheels. There you can see the gaps aren't perfect on it, you know, right there, but nice driver quality car. Looks good. The paint, they did a nice job on it. They've had it in we've seen a deal where they had it in a show, so doesn't mean it's gonna win at a show, but it has been in a show. Interior is nice, no issues. New carpet, new sill plates. Like I said, the top is new, so that all looks good on the inside. Dash pads all good. Original dash. There's your gas gauge, your odometer. Got an oil pressure gauge down there. So they're pretty simple cars. There's your bin. See that down there? Like I said, no issues on the back seat and everything. So the interior is, I would definitely nice enough to show. And like I said, the paint's good, looks good, and not really many flaws. Like here you see a small scratch. That's there. That's pretty cool. They put the original selling dealer's steel name tag on there. I think that's pretty cool, pretty retro. So like I said, you can see my reflection in this video, so you can see it's got a pretty good shine to it. Probably if you going to be excellent, probably if you wet sanded buffed it, it'd really pop. So, but if this was my car, I would just drive it the way it is and have some fun with it. Door shut pretty good. Like I said, there's some dirt and here and there that a wet sand buff would take care of. So, but you can see kind of a funky gap on that front door. But, there's a later scratch that all buff out too. So pretty cool car. Got some nice nostalgia. Being a little history on it, being an older lady's car. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.